In today's video, we are going to show you how to download files from pCloud. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and click the Go to My Account, because this will forward you to your file manager. Here, all I have to do is super simple, navigate to the folder where your file is stored. For example, I am going to choose this specific folder, click on it once, and then select a single file. If you do, what will happen is, as you can see, there are multiple options on the top corner. Now, all I have to do is super simple, click the arrow button, which is going to be the download option. If you do, you will be forwarded to the section that you need to select the folder that you wanted to download that specific file and click the save button. It's super simple, right? Now, click X on it. Another option is, you see, on the folder itself, there is a 3 dots icon. You can also opt to download archive. Okay, click on it, and then you need to select the folder again, and the downloaded archive file will be saved to the folder that you have chosen. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to download files from pCloud. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.